Oh my god, Becky. Want to find out more about Andrew Tate net worth? What about Andrew Tate record, his cars, and maybe even how tall is Andrew Tate? Let's answer these questions right now. Andrew Tate height. As you can see, Andrew Tate height is 1.9 meters. That's a tall son of. How did Andrew Tate make his money? As you can see here, he claims he grew up broke and now he's a multimillionaire. At one point, he even said he's the first trillionaire. But how did he make his money? Well, he became a kickboxer and made a little bit of cash like that. But he invested in cryptocurrency, which is crap. He opened a chain of casinos here in Romania, which is fake. I am a Romanian and I know this ain't like that. And the best part is he took the money from girls that sell images and videos of their naked body, and he took a big chunk of that money. Basically, he's a pimp. Why is Andrew Tate so popular? Basically, here is the kicker. Here is how he made his money. He didn't become rich because he became the world champion for kickboxing. He launched a viral internet marketing strategy where people, young, weak men, would pay $50 monthly to get into his Hustlers University. And he basically, right now, before he got arrested, he had over 1,500 people who would pay $50. And basically, he would make even more than $5 million his own cash right to his account, right? So he's a pimp and people would pay him $50 to see what he did to make those money. And using those money, he bought even more expensive shit that would impress weak men. Let's talk more about Andrew Tate net worth, bio, career, controversies, and much more. Well, like I said, he claims to be the first trillionaire. Now he claims to have over $700,000. He makes a lot of money from weak men who each pay $50 to learn how to make money from a guy who didn't make that money like a normal businessman. He's famous because he says outrageous shit, which makes him go viral. This is why he's more searched than Donald Trump and other people. And he is viral not only because of his content, but because the people in his university, those who pay him $50 each month, those guys have a job to take out the most outrageous part of his speeches and put snippets of that on TikTok, and people get outraged and then comment and goes viral. Because in a shitstorm, this is what separates the winners from the okay guys. And that's how outrageous and how spectacular your words are. And I'm not speaking about positive stuff. So this is the guy, 9 losses, 85 total, 76 wins. That's it basically. So Andrew Tate net worth, businesses and total assets. OnlyFans management, like I said, he's a pimp and takes money from weak girls. He basically got arrested in Romania now at the beginning of 2023 because he kidnapped an American girl who luckily managed to send a message to her brother in America, because the Romanian police would have located her otherwise. So this is the pimp, and had girls like that. The University of Hustlers, this is where he gets most of his money and why he gets to be viral. The business of casinos, this is a shit, because mostly he's I can't even say the image, let's call it an part-time business owner. And webcam business, like I said, pimp. So you wanted to learn about Andrew Tate net worth, why he's viral, and why he has success. Now you know. Mate, you should definitely hear what I'm saying.